fucking Viper. Holy shit. Yeah! Alright, so and we're off back outside. This time we're going to cruise in the coast. Gonna see some beautiful cars. Just met up with my boy. We're gonna go ride out, go look at some of the damn nice cars. So everybody go now. He's on his Z900, I'm on mine. We're gonna go have some fun down like the highway coast. That's the whole plan, because there's a whole bunch of old school beauties out now. So it does feel good outside. I'm glad the temp is dropping, so it's nice. Ooh, Mustang. Old folks with the top down. That's cool. Bike sounds so damn good. Goddamn. Oh look, it's a doggy. Dog living his best life. Oh, it's a dog. That dog is cute. Ooh, see, look, that's what I'm talking about. All those old school beauties. Nice. Mustang, yeah. That's nice. Damn. That's nice. Ooh, look at that beauty. That's nice. That bike be, like these Z900s, they have a lot of torque. If you didn't know it, most naked bikes do, so. Is that a Miata with a fucking wing? Oh. What the hell? He had a big wing. It's an old school BMW. That is nice. You don't see too many of those around. Ooh, I see a bike. Is that a Harley? Brother! That's nice. We got the damn the Corvette. Ooh, the Corvette. That's nice. Ooh, is that a hot rod? Yeah, I like that. Hummer EV? What the? Haven't seen one of those before. Woo! That is nice. I like those. Yeah, that's a damn rat rod. I like that. So now we should be seeing like a whole bunch of cars. It's like where like all the cars are gonna come and like just drive down. Hence why it's called cruising the coast, you know? Oh, that's a nice car. Damn. Oh, I like that. That's a big boy. Holy. Damn. And of course, I know folks are like are gonna break their neck to see a car, just like I do. But I always gotta remember to be safe, because there's a lot of like people, a lot around here, especially around this time. So, man, look at these beauties sitting up, looking pretty. And folks, they'll lawn all up and down the coast to see these beautiful cars, because they're everywhere. Some cool cars right there too. There's a whole bunch from all Mustang boys. And folks, they'll sit on the side of the road and like kind of watch the cars go like by. That's nice. I like that. Oh, damn. All these beautiful cars, man. Oh, makes me happy. That is nice. I like that. That's dope. Huh. I like that. I like all those. Damn. They're just so damn sexy. Like, just, it's some of those old school cars that they're gonna go crazy. Hey, Mustang boy, what the hell is that? What the hell is that? I don't know, but it looked cool. Yeah, but all of it is nice. Oh yeah, fucking Dodge Charger Challenger, baby. That's my dream old school car that I will have one day. Mark my words. Like if you have a love for cars, this right here is like just paradise. Oh yeah. Oh, a Mustang, baby. What the hell? It's a boat car. That's pretty dope. All these old school beauties are so beautiful. Wow, that's nice. Had to rev some for these people. Damn, a Supra! I had to straighten that out because, you know, and that was a Supra Mark IV. Sexy. Freaking sexy. Damn, I like that. The Firebird's clean. Oh, it's a Trans Am, baby. Damn. They out today. It's a fucking Viper. Holy shit. Damn. That was nice. I haven't seen a bike like that in a while. I like this. Yeah, he has the fuel tank in the back. Oh yeah, this thing's fast. I don't want that smoke. Yeah, traffic sucks right now. But hey, it's part of the game because there's probably like people trying to turn off with the old school Camaro that's been worked on. Damn, they had the whole alternator off. Oh shit! What the? You saw that? What the fuck? A whole Lamborghini. Damn, I missed it, but it's fine. There'll be a whole lot more cars. Got sitting on dunks. I like that. Yeah, we're gonna stop up here at this little mall spot. Ooh, that is nice. I like that. That's my baby right there. Yeah, so there's a little mall up here that, if y'all remember, I stopped at when I had my first group ride. So we're probably gonna stop there. But they usually have a whole bunch of cars and stuff like that there. So we're gonna stop and just see like what's going on and continue this old show. And I kind of hang out for a while and see all the cool cars go like by. Just have like a grand old time. Cause there's a lot, as you can see, a lot of traffic. This is how it's gonna be like this whole week. Trans Am, nice. Trans Am, nice. But it's been like this whole week, so this is like nothing new. There's a whole Porsche with a scat pack right behind them. Damn, that's nice. Is that a Grand National? It is. Sitting on dubs, got a buggy. Damn, that's dope. Yeah, I love it. So I'm just lost words. These cars are beautiful. These people are beautiful. Oh, Viper, that's sexy. Stop, go see some beautiful cars real quick, and I'll probably pick y'all back on the phone. Okay, I'll catch y'all in a bit.
Hell Keezy. That thing bright. Bright as hell. Boy cutting up. Damn.
All right, so we're on our way to leave from this beautiful event. This is gonna be going on until tomorrow. I may or may not come back out here, but for now, I'm just chilling. But now I gotta deal with this damn traffic. Oh, baby, but they have so many like beautiful cars, so many beautiful cars. So I'm just gonna like walk. Oh, I don't feel like really dealing with this. So now we're just sitting in traffic. Lovely. Damn. That thing built out of hell. So I think we're getting close to this traffic van ending. Oh, look at that that sunset. Nice. Not the Bentley. Oh, not the Mustang. What happened? Damn. That sucks. What up, buddy? Oh, look at his truck. A Viper! Oh, look at that fucking sunset. It's so beautiful. My damn hip hurt. Oh, it hurts so bad. I'm getting old. That is sexy. Oh, gimme. Fuck. That Viper is sexy. Another one. Nice. Damn, Vipers everywhere. Holy shit. Damn. So many cool stuff out. Oh, look at plane too. Oh, look at that Camaro with that big ass blower. Damn. Clean car. No, those cars in those old schools are nice. I like that. I like that. I like that. That's nice. So many cars. It's so beautiful. I love them all. Sexy. Damn. But as far as like, you know, what I want to show, that's pretty much it. I like want to show you guys like what like cruising the coast was, because I didn't get to come here last time on my bike because I didn't have a bike yet. But now that I do, I want to show you off like a biker's perspective. That's pretty much all I had. So if I see anything cool, I'm gonna add like the clip. But from here on out, I'm pretty much gonna just ride and cruise and just enjoy the beautiful sunset that I can't see that like the actual sun, but we still have that beautiful glow. So y'all take care and be safe and enjoy the ride wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.